A new feature found in the Rev 8-4 software is copy and paste. Let's take a look at how we can use this new feature. Here we are on my TriCaster, and I have two downstream keyers, and I want to keep these together but reposition them to another location on the screen. Let's do this using copy and paste. So I'm going to go to one of the layers, use this positioning controls to scale and position the element where I want it to be, let's say up there. And now let's move this basketball layer to match. In previous versions of software, I would have had to copy down all these parameters and then manually enter them into the other downstream keyer. But now at the bottom, you can see there's copy and paste buttons. So I'll just copy everything, close this panel, go to the other downstream keyer, and now I can paste in these values, and you can see the basketball has moved to match. Copy and paste will copy everything found in the parameters. So besides positioning and zoom, the rotation, Z priority, cropping, and the borders and shadows settings will also be copied between the different downstream keyers. You can also copy and paste from a downstream keyer to an ME keyer as well.